How to create QR code for WhatsApp group. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp. Click on the group chat. And then click at the top where your group chat name is. Then in here you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down. Scroll down till you find invite link option. Click on invite via link. And then click on QR code, which is of a recent link, and it will show you QR code to join the group. And this is how to create QR code for WhatsApp group. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for joining.